Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So my April Ipsy order has come, and I usually do these videos when I'm at home so that I can try everything on for you guys and do sort of a try on test. However, life has just been really super weird lately and that didn't happen. So I'm at the salon. I brought my stuff with me. I did take the sneak peek on the app on my phone, and there wasn't a lot to try on this time anyways. So I really wanted to film this before April is over and we'll be getting ready to do the May one. So I apologize for the change in format in this video. However, we're powering through. Life is weird. So this is the bag. It is gorgeous. I think this might be my favorite bag so far. I think it's so cute for spring with the little butterflies, and I actually just got a brand new purse that I think this is gonna match perfectly, because every month when I get my new Ipsy order, I take my old bag out of my purse and I put the new bag in with like a lip gloss and some hair elastics and, you know, miscellaneous things like that. So this becomes like my in the purse pouch. So opening it up, the little card says social butterfly. Life's too short to skip all the fun stuff happening right now. I won't read that whole card. So the first thing that I see in here are eye masks. I don't think I've ever gotten eye masks in an Ipsy bag. So there's two sets. One pair per pouch, obviously, and it says baggage claim gold eye masks from Wander Beauty. Individually packaged gold foiled eye masks to brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Experience 3 innovative layers of luxury. The gold foil helps retain heat and prevents evaporation, allowing the maximum amount of serum to penetrate the skin. The middle layer is elastic, allowing the mask to adhere better to the skin, and the third is a cellulose fiber that condenses and delivers key ingredients efficiently, giving you all the skin-loving benefits you need. Hyaluronic acid delivers the intense hydration to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I'm excited to try these. That was like an overreaction. I am though, because I have iPads that I use for the lash extensions, and they do have some anti-aging ingredients on them. So I have used those, but otherwise I've never really used an eye mask. So I'm excited about those. I'm gonna give those a whirl. I'll keep you guys posted on that. So the next thing in here is from Ciate, London, and this is the Startstruck limited edition eyeliner. So there's a liner on one end and a stamp on the other end. Now, I'm not gonna open this because I do have an open liquid liner at home, and I try really hard not to have a bunch of open things that dry out fairly quickly. So I won't open this right now. However, comment below, let me know if you'd like to see a dedicated video about doing the eyeliner wing stamp. I've never done it. I've seen people do it. It looks challenging. So if that's something you guys would like to see, I could do a dedicated video on this. So comment below if you'd like to see that. I can always use a new liquid liner, so even if the stamp doesn't work, I'm jazzed about this. So the next thing, oh, another brush. I love brushes, unless it's a fan brush. We know how I feel about that. So this is by Ruby, and it's a really nice tapered dome brush. It's a little stiff, which I like, so I think that's going to be a really nice definition brush. So I'll make sure that I use that in the next makeup video that I do, so you guys can kind of see it in action. The next thing is wrapped in bubble wrap. I'm just trying to open it. So this is Paula Dorf bronzer in Bora. If I can open it, I'll swatch it. Oh, there's a little perforated piece. I love when they do that. If you're gonna wrap it in plastic, like, make it so I can get into it. Nails. Oh my gosh. Okay, so 2.5 minutes later, I got it open. Ugh. That was the most frustrating thing. I thought I was going to have to go ask someone in the building to open this for me. How embarrassing. So this is a bronzer. It's called Bora. And I'm just going to swatch it. Oh, it's really smooth. It's kind of light, especially being that I am the palest of pales right now because there's still snow. But I mean, it's light. There's a little bit of color to it. I'm not sure if I'll be able to maybe build that up on the skin, but alternatively, I could use this as a transition color eyeshadow because the texture is beautiful. It's just really light. I thought it would come off a little darker on the hand, but anyways, the color is nice and it would make a good transition color. So I'll make sure to use some of these items in the next makeup video that I do. So we'll give that a whirl at a later date, maybe on the eyes and on the face, just to see how we like it both ways. So the last thing that's in here is Bubble Tea, Lemongrass and Green Tea Stimulating Hand Cream. So I can always use hand cream, and this says infused with essential oils, which I love that. That makes me so happy. It says fresh lemongrass and green tea infused with lively lemon zest and citrus elements to stimulate and invigorate. We love lemongrass. My husband calls it Fruit Loops. Whenever I put lemongrass in the diffuser at home, he thinks it smells like Fruit Loops. So I'm just going to open this up and try a little bit on the back of my hand. I just put dry shampoo in my hair, so it's hard to smell anything else. Does anyone else experience that? My dry shampoo is pretty fragranced, so once I put that in my hair, that's pretty much what I smell all day. Oh, that does smell really good. It's really lemony. It's really, really nice. It's not super thick either, so I think that's a good one that I could use in my purse that I don't have to keep like on my nightstand, like the body butter one that I got by Cake Beauty. That one was like a nighttime hand cream. It was so thick. You really needed more time to let that soak in, but that one there is a little bit lighter. So that was my Ipsy bag for April. I love the bag. I love the brush. We'll see about a couple of the other items in there. So lately, I don't know. I mean, I like the Ipsy. It's great. I'm a little underwhelmed the last couple of months. I feel like I haven't had as much like makeup. I've had more like tools and masks and hand creams and stuff like that. So I may go in to my Ipsy account and change a little bit of my settings and see if that changes what I get in my bag. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys get Ipsy? Have you been feeling your bag lately? Are you finding the same thing, that it's like not so much makeup but like tools and stuff like that? I mean, I do love a brush. You guys know I get excited about a brush. I think that fan brush last month really threw me for a loop. I was like, why would they send this? Ew. And the eyeshadow that wasn't even in like a pan or anything like that. So let me know what you guys think. Should I keep doing the Ipsy bags? Am I done with it? Should I maybe change my subscription to like BoxyCharm or something like that? Try something different? Or just change my settings and see if that changes what I get. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you like this, hit the thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.